Fluvastatin, also known as Lescol Xl, is a medication that is used along with a proper diet to help lower bad cholesterol and fats, such as LDL and triglycerides, and raise good cholesterol, HDL, in the blood. It belongs to a group of drugs known as statins, and works by reducing the amount of cholesterol made by the liver. Lowering bad cholesterol and triglycerides and raising good cholesterol decreases the risk of heart disease and helps prevent strokes and heart attacks. It is important to follow a proper diet, including a low cholesterol/low-fat diet, and make lifestyle changes such as exercising, losing weight if overweight, and stopping smoking to help this medication work better. It is best to consult your doctor for more details on the benefits, daily dosage, and the optimal timing for taking this medication. Before you start taking Lescol Xl, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth once daily, with or without food, as directed by your doctor. Swallow the tablets whole, without crushing or chewing them, to prevent any potential side effects. The dosage will depend on your medical condition, age, and other medications you may be taking. If you also take other drugs to lower your cholesterol, take Lescol Xl at least 1 hour before or 4 hours after taking those medications. It is important to take this medication regularly at the same time each day, even if you feel well. Remember to continue following your doctor's advice about diet and exercise, as it may take up to 4 weeks to see the full benefit of this drug. If you experience stomach upset while taking Lescol Xl, be sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. Some people may experience mild memory problems or confusion while taking Fluvastatin. If you notice these effects, talk to your doctor. There is also a rare risk of developing or worsening diabetes while taking statins, so be sure to discuss the benefits and risks with your doctor. In very rare cases, this medication may cause muscle problems that could lead to serious conditions such as rhabdomyolysis and autoimmune myopathy. If you experience muscle pain, tenderness, weakness, or signs of kidney problems while taking Lescol Xl, contact your doctor immediately. Liver problems are also a rare side effect of this medication. If you notice symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, yellowing of the eyes or skin, dark urine, or abdominal pain, be sure to inform your doctor. While a serious allergic reaction to Lescol Xl is rare, seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor if you notice any other effects. Before taking Lescol Xl, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have liver disease, kidney disease, or if you consume alcohol. Before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. It's recommended to limit alcoholic beverages while taking Lescol Xl, as daily use of alcohol may increase the risk of liver problems, especially when combined with this medication. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of the drug, particularly muscle problems. If you are pregnant, Lescol Xl should only be used when clearly needed as it may harm an unborn baby. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This medication can also pass into breast milk and may have undesirable effects on a nursing infant, so breastfeeding is not recommended while using Lescol Xl. Be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist and keep them informed of all the products you use, including prescription, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Lescol Xl include colchicine, daptomycin, gemfibrozil, and phenytoin. Also, it's important to note that you should not take any red yeast rice products while taking Lescol Xl, as some red yeast rice products may also contain a statin called Fluvastatin. Taking Lescol Xl and red yeast rice products together can increase your risk of serious muscle and liver problems. Remember to follow your doctor's instructions and consult with them if you have any concerns about potential interactions or the best time to take this medication. If someone has taken too much Lescol XL and is experiencing severe symptoms like loss of consciousness or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or the local poison control center. In the US, residents can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call their provincial poison control center. It's important to remember not to share your medication with others. Your doctor may also want to conduct lab tests to monitor your cholesterol, triglyceride levels, and liver function while you are taking Lescol XL. Be sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments, and don't hesitate to consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose of Lescol XL, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take your next dose at the usual time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to follow the recommended dosage schedule for this medication to ensure its effectiveness. Make sure to store Lescol XL at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it in a safe place, away from children and pets. When you no longer need it or it reaches its expiration date, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do so. Remember not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.